Let's solve one problem from age. 8 years hence, the ratio of Munna and Guddu is 6:5. So I take Munna in the left hand side and Guddu in the right hand side. So Munna and Guddu. This is 8 years hence, 8 years from now, you can see. Okay. At present, Munna is twice the age of Guddu. Okay. So Munna is twice the age of Guddu at present. So this is present. Now, first thing you have to do is the gap should be same. So the gap here is 1 unit, gap here is 1 unit. So perfectly fine till now. We don't need to multiply with something to make the gap same. Now, because here the gap is of 8 years, this is the exact value, and here the gap is of 4 years. So I can say gap is of 4 units, sorry. So 4 unit corresponds to 8 year. So 1 unit should correspond to 2 year. So what I need to find is the age of Munna after 6 year. Let's find the present age of Munna. Munna is in the left hand side. So present age of Munna is 2 unit, and that would be 2 into 2, which is 4 unit. Present age of Guddu also you can find, that would be 1 into 1 unit. So 1 into 2 is 2. What will be the age of Munna after 6 years? Present age of Munna is 4. After 6 years, he will be 10 years old, because 4 plus 6 will give you 10. After 6 years, Guddu will be 2 plus 6, that is 8 years old. Okay. Once we find the present age, we can find anything when asked with respect to Munna and Guddu. Okay. So easy problem. You just need to maintain the same gap. Because if Munna is 2 years older, let's suppose now, he will be 2 years older forever than Guddu. Because if you say 8 years ahead, what will be the age of Munna? Age of Munna will be 12, age of Guddu will be 10. Here also you see gap is 2. If I say 15 years, 50 years from now, age will be 54 and 52. Here also you see the gap remains the same. So gap remains same once they both are born, the gap remains the same.